Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 movers, cheap only local and long-distance movers near me. Long-distance moves are infamous for their high cost, increased risks, and stress. You need to find a reliable moving company that will deliver your goods safely and timely. It's a must to have trusty movers that take care of your prized possessions as their own. We at 3 Movers are moving customers for more than 20 years. We have long-term experience in shipping goods and handling uncertainties along the way. Our movers are licensed, highly trained for making your moving experience smooth and stress-free. Expect our services right from protectively packing your things to loading and shipping them safely to your destination. We are reliable and have a compensation policy in our company to cover any damages. We handle local moves at Olney just as fast and efficient as a long-distance moves. Along with packing your things in the labeled boxes, we can also disassemble your furniture, transport it to your new location, and reassemble it for you. We can handle all sorts of items, from business equipments to heavy couches and dressers. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Olney moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form